Hello students. As you all know, in our last discussion, I have discussed in the last video I have discussed about the syllabus that we are following in class 9th, and along with that I also discussed about the chapters that we all have completed. So in history we have completed 2 chapters. In geography we have completed 2 chapters, though I have not received the written work that you people have done, and very less students are there who have done their written work. So I want you all to assure me that along with the completion of this chapter you all will be sending me the written work. Children, it would be for your benefit, because once the school reopens then you won't be getting time to complete your written work. So you better please keep sending me written work. Very limited students, at least 10 to 12 students are only there who are very regular in completing their written work. So children, please complete, because as you all know, in all the chapters that we have completed, we have discussed, and I have discussed the question answers as well. Okay, so here we start. Abhi 2 chapters, second chapter is left in political science as well as in economics. So today we are starting with the economic second chapter, people as resource. First, children, you have to understand what actually does the resource mean. Resource are those things which are very essential for the mankind and for the human being. In this we have to understand that these resources are the ones which are carrying forward the human life as well as the economic system as well as the social, political and cultural system also. So what we are discussing till now, we have discussed that we get the resources, we use the resources that are available in the nature. हम rocks use करते हैं, हम plants use करते हैं, we use many different things that are available in the nature which we utilize as resources. But now today children, you would be amazed to know where we will be discussing that how people are utilized as resources. Human being from the very beginning, they are the ones who have been utilizing the resources. But how does the human being itself become the resource? That is what we will be discussing in this chapter. Okay children, first try to understand what actually does the resource word mean. Do a research work on the word resource. Please understand that how are the resources important and how is it needed for the development of the human being. So we are having just an overview of this chapter, and we'll just go through it once children, which is talking about the major concept of this chapter. So people as resource is to explain population as an asset for the economy rather than a liability. Now children, there are 2 new words that are introduced in this chapter. I am sure you might be not knowing about the meaning of asset and liability. Now let me explain it to you. We will be understanding asset क्या है. अभी try to understand this, that what is an asset. In your house, I will give you example of your house. आपके घर में when you see that your parents are there, father is there, mother is there, father is working, earning for the family, looking after your education, mother is cooking food for you, doing all the things that is needed for you. All these things they are doing on a daily basis. लेकिन because you are kids, आप class 9 में पढ़ रहे हो, so you are not knowing कि what does asset mean. Talk to your parents about it कि ये asset क्या होता है. Then you will come to know. Many of you might be knowing about it, that asset is that thing which is kept as a reserve with each and every person. किसी के पास भी घर में तिजोरी होगी, उसमें कुछ पैसा रखा होगा, गहने रखे होंगे. आपके गांव है, मोस्ट ऑफ यू माइट बी हैविंग योर बेस इन विलेजेस. गांव में आपकी जो ज़मीन है, गांव में जो खेत है, जहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर हो रहा है, आपके चाचा रहते होंगे, दादा दादी सब लोग जो गांव में रहते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो योर प्रॉपर्टी. अब गॉड फॉरबिड कभी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि कोई क्राइसिस आए, देन इट हैपन्स दैट यू हैव टू सेल द फील्ड्स, द लैंड दैट बिलोंग्स टू यू. कुछ लोगों के पास 4 एकड़ लैंड होगा, गांव की बात कर रही हूँ बेटे, यहाँ पे शहरों में यू डोंट गेट सो मच ऑफ लैंड, बट इन द विलेजेस यू गेट लॉट ऑफ लैंड दैट इज देयर एंड यू दैट इज योर एसेट. जो चीज आपको फ्यूचर आपका सिक्योर करती है, वॉट एवर थिंग्स आर देयर दैट मेक्स योर फ्यूचर सिक्योर इज कॉल्ड एज एन एसेट. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? सो नाउ व्हाट इज एन एसेट फॉर यू? आप क्लास में 9 में पढ़ते हो, सो इफ आई आस्क यू कि आपके पास क्या एसेट है, आप क्या बोलोगे? योर एसेट. यू डोंट हैव एन एसेट. आपने क्या पैसे कमाए हैं, आपका क्या काम है? योर एसेट इज योर एजुकेशन. The education that you are getting, the syllabus that you are doing, the studies that you are doing, the schooling that you are doing, this is your asset. When I was in class 9th, now I'm just discussing it ना, मेरे आपको पता है मुझे बात करने की आदत है. So when I was in class 9 ना, उस समय did I ever think I'll become a teacher and I will be teaching to the students of class 9th and 10th? No, I never thought about it. मैं उस समय शैतानी करती थी, पढ़ाई करती थी, खेलने जाती थी. I used to like dance, so I used to do a little bit of dancing in the school programs. I used to participate. Did I ever think that I'll be becoming a teacher, I will be earning some money, I will be looking after my parents and all that? No. So this is what is the asset all about. I was just giving an example, because with the examples what happens, you understand the things properly. This is all about an asset. So you have to understand that how population becomes an asset. Population, अभी सोचो इंडिया की population कितनी है? We say ना 125 करोड़. So that means 125 crore people staying in the country, और वो suppose वो कुछ काम नहीं करें, सोचो देश कैसे चलेगा? How will the country run? Please try to understand this thing. So we have to understand, we have to make it very sure that each and every person staying in the country is serving as an asset. ठीक है, हमारे को बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं वेयर किसी के पास कोई क्वालिटी है, कोई बहुत अच्छा गाना गाता है, कोई बहुत अच्छा डांस करता है. In your class there are 45 students. 45 students have different qualities. Somebody is there who can play very good football. He will become a footballer. Girls are there who can dance very well. She can become a dancer in the future. अभी तो देखो, don't take it in a negative sense. Dancing can also be taken up as a career. Please try to understand. But then you have to understand what you are doing is meant for some goal. आप जो करोगे उसका कोई output आना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि just you are doing it just for doing purpose. Got it? That is an asset. Now try to understand what is a liability. Liability. अभी how will I explain it to you? Asset आप समझ गए. I hope you have understood the asset point. अगर नहीं समझ में आया, then we will be having the online session. You can get it cleared. You can discuss anything that comes to your mind in the online session. Got it, children? Now you have to understand what is liability. Your parents are there. आपके पिताजी हैं, माताजी हैं. आपके घर में दादा दादी होंगे. I'm sure दादा दादी होंगे, दादा दादी नहीं भी होंगे तो नाना नानी होंगे. Got it? So your father is working in an army, or your father is in business, or your big brother is there, he is also doing something. Got it? Or he is studying. What is your dada dadi doing? दादा दादी क्या काम करते हैं? Of course they are not meant to do any work, my children. ठीक है, बिकॉज दे हैव ऑलरेडी डन देयर वर्क व्हेन दे वेर यंग. जब आपके पापा छोटे रहे होंगे उस समय आपके दादाजी काम करते होंगे, तो उन्होंने आपके पापा को इस लायक बना दिया दैट ही इज सर्विंग इन द आर्मी और ही इज डूइंग सब बिजनेस. नाउ इट इज योर फादर्स ड्यूटी, योर पेरेंट्स ड्यूटी टू लुक आफ्टर देयर पेरेंट्स. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माई चिल्ड्रन? आप आज छोटे हो, कल की डेट में आई रियली विश ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. कोई डॉक्टर बनेगा, कोई इंजीनियर बनेगा, कोई फॉरेन में जाके सेटल हो जाएगा. एट दैट टाइम यू कैन नॉट आस्क योर फादर और योर पेरेंट्स टू गिव मनी टू यू ना. गॉट इट? सो दैट टाइम द केयर दैट यू हैव टू टेक फॉर योर पेरेंट्स इज योर लायबिलिटी. Are you understanding? Now, did you understand the meaning of the word liability? आपके दादा दादी की केयर करना आपके पेरेंट्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने टाइम पे आपके पेरेंट्स का भी केयर किया है. सेम थिंग गोज फॉर यू. You grow up to be good human beings. Good human being के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये मैंने आपको I have explained this concept in the form of social structure. सोसाइटी में जब हम रहते हैं तो वहाँ पे liability का क्या मतलब होता है. Liability is, अभी सिंपल मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. When I explain it to you in simple manner, it is responsibility. Liability is your responsibility. Now what is mentioned here is population as a liability. Population कैसा liability बन जाती है? Some of the people are there who are very educated. MA किया है, MCOM किया है, business administration किया है. Let me make one thing very clear. अभी जिसको भी बच्चे को पूछो what do you want to become in life, they say डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है. So many people with doctor and engineering degree are also roaming about. कुछ काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. So when these people they don't do any work ना, they become a liability. अभी वो देश के लिए वो कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, देश को उनके लिए कुछ करना है. ठीक है, they should not die, they should not lose their lives. So we have to make it very sure that we don't become a liability for the country. Country को हमारा केयर नहीं करना पड़े, हम country sorry children. So children, we were discussing about asset and liability. Got it? I hope the concept of asset and liability is bit clear to you. Now just see what is written here. Population becomes human capital. Country में जो लोग रह रहे हैं ना, they are the people who start earning something and who start producing some money and who start making money. Got it? अब सपोज वॉट एवर आई एम अर्निंग, आज जितना भी पैसे मैं कमा रही हूँ एज अ टीचर, एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ आई गेट अ सैलरी. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर आई हैव टू गिव सम मनी टू द गवर्नमेंट विच इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टैक्स. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग चिल्ड्रन? इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टैक्स. और ये जो टैक्स हम पे करते हैं, this is what is called as human capital. There is investment made in the form of education, training, medical care, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, क्योंकि population को हमको healthy बनाना है. We have to see that the population must become an asset and population must not become a liability. Got it children? So I hope now you understand that. अब आपको अगर मैं कहूँ what would you like to become in future? Would you become an asset for the country or a liability? Dear children, you will definitely tell me कि मैम asset बनना है. Why should we become liability? हम क्यों किसी के ऊपर dependent हो? Okay? तो अभी आपके ऊपर आपके पेरेंट्स क्या कर रहे हैं? दे आर इन्वेस्टिंग मनी ऑन यू. किस फॉर्म में? आपके लिए एजुकेशन का इंतज़ाम कर रहे हैं, आपकी ट्रेनिंग का इंतज़ाम हो रहा है. ट्रेनिंग मीन्स 9th क्लास में हो, आगे फिर 12th करोगे, देन यू विल बी गोइंग टू द कॉलेजेस. देन देयर वुड बी मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़. मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़, गॉड फॉरबिड, भगवान ना करे कभी किसी को मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़े, बट बेटा शरीर है, इट्स योर बॉडी. You never know what you would be needing in future. So what happens children? You can see it is mentioned here. Human capital is the stock of skill and productive knowledge embodied in them. I will explain each and everything to you. अभी human capital क्या है? किसी भी इंसान के ऊपर जो मनी इन्वेस्ट हो रहा है, whatever money is being invested on any human being इज द स्टॉक है. स्टॉक मतलब कि रिजर्व है, जमा है. क्या चीज का? स्टॉक ऑफ ह्यूमन कैपिटल क्या है हमारे पास? इट इज रिजर्व, इट इज स्टॉक हमारे अंदर है. क्या है? हमारा स्किल है. अगेन आई विल गिव यू माई एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है, मैं क्यों किसी और का एग्जाम्पल दूं? स्किल, माई स्किल इज टू go in the class and talk to you all. आजकल पता है टीचिंग नहीं होती, we don't do teaching. Teachers are just like guides, है ना, we are guide by sight. आपके बगल में खड़े होकर हम आपको बताएंगे बेटा देखो ये रास्ता, इस पे चलना है, आपकी मर्जी है. Further it's your wish, you walk on that line or not. So my skill is that, my productive knowledge is that what I have gained in past educative times. जब एजुकेशन लिया उस समय हमने अपने नॉलेज को जो डेवलप किया है, वॉट एवर नॉलेज वी हैव डेवलप्ड, वॉट एवर नॉलेज वी हैव गेन्ड, आई एम शेयरिंग इट विथ यू. सो इफ आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन, एम आई अ ह्यूमन कैपिटल, क्या मैं ह्यूमन कैपिटल की तरह सर्व कर रही हूं? अब ये आप डिसाइड करो, मैं अपने मुंह से नहीं बोलूंगी ना, ऑफ कोर्स. सो कैन आई बी कॉल्ड एज अ ह्यूमन कैपिटल? यस चिल्ड्रन, I can be called as a human capital because of the skill, the knowledge that is in me. So what we are talking about here is people as resource, people how to use the, use नहीं कहेंगे, I won't, I am not giving the word use. Use तो गंदा word हो जाता है ना, हम लोगों का इस्तेमाल थोड़ी कर रहे हैं, we are not using the people. It is a way of referring to a country's working people. लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं, the people who are working in the country, who are engaged in some or the other work in terms of their existing productive skills. उनके knowledge के basis पे, the knowledge that they are gaining, the productive skills that they have, the qualities that they possess, the abilities that they have, they become a resource. I'm again explaining it to you children. Countries working people, अभी देखो जो लोग काम नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, मैं बहुत ही गंदा वाला वर्ड यूज करूंगी, I'll use a very bad word here, आपको हंसी भी आएगी, जो लोग निठल्ले बैठे हुए हैं. Got it? Many people are there who are not like that, कि काम करना नहीं चाहते हैं. कितनी बार ऐसा होता है, people really search for work but they don't get the work to do. उनको काम मिलता नहीं है. बट देन देर आर सम पीपल हु गेट वर्क, बट वो कहते हैं हाँ हाँ हमारे लेवल का काम नहीं है, वॉट एवर वर्क वी विल बी गेटिंग, हम उसी हिसाब से काम करेंगे. गॉट इट? सो लुकिंग एट द पॉपुलेशन according to their skills and abilities, the work that they are getting. So from this productive aspect, the people have to be very productive, have to understand that how can they become an asset for the country. It emphasizes its ability to contribute to the creation of. So abhi looking at the when we look at the population now, from the productive aspect, just now that we were talking about the productive aspect, productive skill and abilities. My productive skill and my ability is to do the teaching work. Got it? I am coming and I am sharing my knowledge with you. That is my productivity, and I am contributing to the nation's income. How? I am paying taxes. Got it? Ability to contribute to the creation of the GNP, Gross National Product. इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में प्लीज रिमेंबर, आगे ये बार बार आएगा, अभी भी आएगा, क्लास 10th में भी यू हैव टू स्टडी. GNP, Gross National Product. So population is also a resource. It is called as a human resource. Got it? So population is serving as a human resource. All the people in the country need to do some work so that they become an asset and they don't become a liability. So this is the positive side of a large population, where people are utilized as resources. All the human beings in the country are working as a resource. So that is often overlooked when we look only at the negative side. So positive side is that human resource is there. This is positive side. लेकिन कभी कभी क्या होता है, when human become a resource, like I'm working, it's very good, but sometimes it happens ki we are not working and we are just like a liability. हाँ, हम काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, पैसे नहीं अर्न कर रहे हैं. नाउ प्लीज हियर देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन योर मदर एंड अ वर्किंग वुमन. द वर्क that your mother is doing at home, she is a biggest resource for your house. ये मत सोचना कि मदर लाइबिलिटी है, मम्मी घर पे है ना, कुछ काम नहीं कर रही है. नो, the way she is taking care of all of you, she is an asset for the family, she is an asset for the future generation. आने वाले टाइम में whatever you become, it is because of her contribution. So she will always be an asset. Don't consider your mother. खाली पैसे अर्न करने वाले को हम एसेट नहीं मानते हैं. The people who are contributing directly or indirectly for the country's development are included in this. So considering, we consider only the problems of providing the population with food, education. Because population, if population is not healthy, जो लोग country में रह रहे हैं, they are not healthy. So we have to provide them food, we have to provide them education, we have to give them health facilities. I mean population, this is, we are talking about the population as a whole. 125 करोड़ की जनता जो country में रह रही है, the people who are staying in the country, all the arrangements have to be made for them. It is for food, it is for education, and it is for their health facilities. So when the existing human resource means the people who are there in the country are developed by becoming more educated and healthy. So all these human beings, they develop, they come up as productive human beings, they become educated, they become healthy. Then they are considered to be capital formation. We call it as human capital formation. Human beings are making money, human beings are getting the capital, so we call it as human capital formation. Got it, children? So that is how the human beings are becoming an asset. Existing human resource means the population that is there, they are always developed by becoming more educated and healthy. So we call it human capital formation. That adds to the productive power of the country, just like physical capital formation. Now try to understand human capital formation. Every human being is developed into such a way. All the human beings, the money that is invested behind all the human beings, they are developing to a population where lot of capital formation is there. Money ban raha hai. So it adds to the productive power of the country, just like physical capital formation. Physical capital formation. Now what is physical capital? Capital formation. Capital, what is capital? Is making money. Money का दूसरा, it is synonym for money is capital. अभी कैपिटल, अभी आप कहोगे मैम दिल्ली इज कंट्रीज कैपिटल. कैपिटल बहुत सारी मीनिंग हो सकते हैं ना, तो दैट इज अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग. बट इन इकोनॉमिक सेंस व्हेन वी यूज द वर्ड कैपिटल, इट रिफर्स टू मनी. सो ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन, ये ह्यूमन बीइंग कब कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन अच्छा होगा? व्हेन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर एजुकेटेड एंड हेल्दी. पहले तो पढ़ाई लिखाई का इंतजाम करना है. When they study, when proper investment is there in their education, that is one way of human capital formation. And then another thing is healthy. Healthy population is very important. Now healthy beta चूँकि because I have told healthy, now again today's scenario is coming in my mind. आज इतनी हम last 3 months से घर पे बैठे हुए हैं. क्यों बैठे हुए हैं? Why are we sitting at home? It is just for this sake. कोई, because जिंदगी से बड़ी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है. There is nothing bigger than your life. And the life should, if anybody's life is secure, capital अपने आप बन जाएगा. The human being who is alive is not suffering from corona. The government is investing so much of money just to prevent the people from coming down into the disease corona. Got it? So we have to see that human being is saved and they don't become a liability. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Either तो people will lose their life. Corona is such a big disease which has been the toll of life has been increasing day by day. दिन पर दिन जिंदगी को बचाने का खतरा बढ़ता चला जा रहा है. That is important. So physical capital formation. अभी how are we going to develop human capital? Human capital. ठीक है. Capital, again I am telling you children, don't get confused. We are into the money making thing. Money making thing means we have to see that the population that is station that is there in the country, they are developing through education, through training, through medical care. All the human beings who are there in the country, we have to see their development. How? Through education, training and medical care. अच्छे से अगर उनको पढ़ाया जाएगा, एजुकेट किया जाएगा, if we train them properly, then a time will come when the human beings will be very productive. And they will be yield. Yield means giving away, means they will be output. Yield is the output. Word meaning के लिए children, I have already told many times, I have told the students, please refer to the dictionaries. That's the best way of understanding the word meanings. And what happens if your word meanings are clear na, many things would be clear in your mind. तो word meaning के लिए do keep referring to the dictionary. और एक word खोजने के चक्कर में, my English teacher used to explain this thing, that when you try to find out one meaning, you look for 5 words. So that, and I am telling you children, this is my practical experience, it really helps in improving your knowledge. So yields are return just like investment in physical capital. ठीक है. मेडिकल केयर, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट इन ह्यूमन कैपिटल. ह्यूमन कैपिटल मीन्स ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए हम जो पैसा लगा रहे हैं, द मनी दैट इज इन्वेस्टेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. Education is there, training is there, medical care is there. All these things give us physical capital. Ab how do we understand this? This can be seen directly in the form of higher incomes. Income is increasing day by day. Higher incomes are there. It is earned because of higher productivity. ठीक है. How can we see this? That human capital is increasing. Whatever money is invested for the human beings, it is increasing day by day. Higher incomes earned. People who are very educated, they are paid very well. जितना ज़्यादा पैसा मिलेगा उतना ही taxes government को भी मिलेगा. Try to understand. Whatever a human being is earning, they have to pay a tax to the government. और गवर्नमेंट उस टैक्स का क्या करती है? दिस यू हैव रेड इन क्लास 6, 7 सब में पढ़ा हुआ है. ऑल द टैक्स दैट इज पेड बाय द पीपल इज यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री. स्कूल्स खोले जाते हैं, कॉलेजेस खोले जाते हैं, हॉस्पिटल्स, यू गेट फ्री ऑफ एजुकेशन, यू गेट फ्री ऑफ मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज. ये 2 चीज़ें जब आराम आराम से लोगों को मिलती हैं तो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है दैट देयर आर अनएजुकेटेड पीपल इन द कंट्री. So we have to ensure that people are trained properly as well as higher productivity of healthier people. Healthy people जो हैं, they are earning properly. This way changes can happen on a very productive manner. How these changes had happened, अभी इसका एक बहुत अच्छा सा एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है थ्रू ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन. So children, till then abhi we have completed, because I have started this chapter, this was a new concept, that's why I have given you a proper explanation. This example we will be discussing in the next video. Till then children, just go through the video and get your doubts cleared in the next class, and till then keep revising. Thank you children, and all the best to you.